Welcome to my coach office. I'm Kim Horvath, and today I'm going to show you how to sync your calendars with Gmail and my coach office. It's really very simple. That's the way we like to do things around here. So as you can see, this is the home screen. And if you just click the calendar, I just want to show you a few things first. When you click the calendar, as you can see, this is my calendar. For those of you who are saying, why do you have these coach names here? That's because I'm using Coach Enterprise, my Coach Enterprise. So I have the ability to have multiple coaches also using the same platform. Now, as you can see right now, all we have in our calendar are these two sessions on the 24th of June. And this calendar, when you want to sync it, you simply go to Google Sync, and if it says off, you click to on, it's going to pull up your Google calendars and you decide which calendar you want it to attach to. I have multiple Gmails, and so it pulls up all my Gmails and I decide which calendar, which account I want to use. Um, it says my coach office here, and these are other calendars listed within my Gmail account. And before I show you what to do, I'm going to go over to that calendar. Okay. So this is the calendar that is attached to my coach office. And as you can see, there are a number of things here. This is the only thing, the 24th, that shows on the my coach office calendar. But I would like all of these things to show. How do I do that? Well, you know, in Gmail, if you're using a Google Calendar, that you have several different calendars here that are available. Anytime you want to add something new, whether it's birthdays, holidays, something like that, it actually pulls it up as a separate calendar. So the first thing is it has to show on this calendar in order to show on my coach office. If you don't want something to show on my coach office, you need to unclick it. So I'm going to unclick this because I don't need that calendar. I have my coach office calendar and everything else I want. I want the calendar that's just associated with the account. I want the birthday calendar. I want the tasks to show up. Anything else, the holidays, I want them all to show. So when we sync, all of these things will show on my coach office. So let's go back to my coach office and I'll show you. All right. So all you do, you click the Google Sync button and you literally just click all of these calendars. So if you didn't want birthdays to show, don't click that. If you don't want the holidays to show, don't click that. Click on whatever it is that you want to show and click save. Now it's going to take a few moments for the calendars to actually sync. What's going on behind the scenes is that it's going in, it's attaching all those calendars, and then it's going to fetch all of the items that are on the calendar in your Gmail calendar. It's going to bring them over to my coach office. Now they will be, as you see here, it says read only. They will be read only in my coach office, but you will still be able to see them. And then most importantly, if you have other appointments, you'll know that, hey, these appointments are here. Probably don't want to book anything at that time. All right, so it looks like it's fetching the events, and let's just take a look now. Look at that. So now everything that I wanted to show is showing. All of the holidays are here. This is my birthday, so my birthday is there. And my meetings are here. And it's just that simple. If you wanted to take anything off, it's just as simple. You go back to that and just unclick whatever it is that you want to take off your calendar. But I'm going to leave everything as is. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you know how to contact me. Either our Facebook group, the My Coach Office community, or within the system down here, MCO support. Just send a little email in and we'll be happy to help you however we can. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this update. Talk soon. And as we say here, happy coaching.